Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you exactly and step by step how you can use the split screen feature on Microsoft Edge with only one display or monitor. For instance, if you'd like to have various or multiple tabs open at the same time and have them on a split screen on your display. So let me show you how to do that really quickly. Launch the Microsoft Edge web browser on your PC or laptop. And what you want to do, guys, is click on the three dots in the top right corner and select the split screen feature from that drop-down menu. And after that, simply let me go, for instance, to let me visit another website for demonstration purposes in a new tab. So let me go, for instance, here to eBay. And if I head back to my split screen, I will be given access to a list of all open tabs here to the right. So simply pick the website you would like to have open in the right half of your split screen. So let me go with that website here. And as you can see now, the screen is split in half and you can or you can visit both websites at the same time on one display. So to close the split screen, simply click on that X icon in the top right corner. And that's basically it. That's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.